Before welcoming our new baby this spring, we need to transform our spare room into a nursery. First things first, we need to remove the dated carpet and replace it with new flooring. We started by removing all of the furniture in the room. After it was cleared out, the carpet could be pulled up. We used a pair of pliers to pull at a corner of the carpet until there was enough to pull up by hand. We also used an X-Acto knife or box cutter to cut the carpet into easier to handle strips and then rolled them up. Once the carpet was pulled up, we did the same thing with the padding underneath. Be careful here with the staple strips so you don't cut your hand. Once the padding was up, we used a crowbar to pull up the staple strips around the perimeter of the room and pliers to pull out the staples throughout the room. To finish prep, we swept up all of the debris to ensure a clean surface to lay the new flooring down. Now that the space is prepped, it's time to lay the new flooring. We decided to use Malibu Wide Plank LVP in French Oak Crown for our entire third floor, as its textured surface on each plank mimics the look and feel of real wood, adding warmth and character to any space. With the wide and long planks, they create an illusion of a larger, more spacious room, which is perfect for nurseries and really any area where openness is desired. Installing it is a breeze, thanks to the superior click-lock system. Each plank effortlessly comes together, ensuring a seamless and stress-free installation process. With its 20mm core, this flooring boasts exceptional resistance, standing strong against everyday wear and tear for years to come. And with kids and large dogs, durability is a must for us. For the hallway and the guest room that are also on this floor, we wanted to seamlessly transition the floors across all the rooms. So once we came to the doorway of the nursery, we continued the same measurements as we did in the nursery to maintain continuity. This required some additional cuts around the doors and into the closets in the hallway, but with the width of the planks and how easy they are to cut, this came together in no time. We couldn't believe how great everything looked after the last plank was laid. Each room is completely transformed and looks so welcoming and warm. We also can't get over how true to hardwood the floors appear as well. Unique grains are etched into every plank and really gives that timeless feel. But of course, it's not just about the looks. It's about durability too. Malibu Wide Plank is waterproof, scratch-proof, and stain-proof, making it ideal for high traffic areas and of course those inevitable spills and messes. And here's the best part. Malibu Wide Plank offers all of these features at an affordable price point, especially when it's on sale. So you get that premium quality without breaking the bank. If you're ready to elevate your space with elegance, durability, and affordability, Malibu Wide Plank luxury vinyl flooring is the perfect choice. And we want to give a huge thank you to Malibu Wide Plank for sponsoring this video and helping us transform our space in time for our daughter's arrival.